How to find tags, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find tags, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just click settings and then click notifications, and now just you will find tags here, just click on it, and if you want to turn it off just turn everything off, and if you want to turn it on again just turn everything on. And that's how to find tags, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.